morning, student. Student, as you know, in class 4 science subject, the half yearly syllabus already completed, and you have already know that I am taking the class revision test. I am taking class chapter 6 and chapter 7 already. Only MCQs type questions are possible on online revision test. Okay, student. Student, I want to give you some MCQs type question on the basis of your topic. On the basis of your topics, within 1 or 2 days, I will send the syllabus of the half yearly examination. Okay, 30 to 40% syllabus from your unit test first, and the new chapter, I think chapter 5, 6 and 7 is your half yearly examination, and I will give you. Okay, student, so let us write down some MCQs type question in your classwork copy for revision work. So today we will study about the different topics once again and make some question according to the chapter. So all of you get ready to write down question answer with me. So write down in your classwork copy as well as homework copy. So mention the date. Okay. Today is 20/11/2020, class 4th, subject science, SCIENCE, science. Today's topic revision. Okay, revision. So today I will revise the chapter number 5th. Chapter number 5th. So I will give you some extra question according to this chapter. Suppose in this chapter you are already known about what is the matter. Means anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. And matter exists in 3 states. Matters are existing in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. And arrangement of the matter in solid, liquid, gas are different. In solid, the matters are very close compact to each other. There are no intermolecular space are found in the solid. But in the liquid, they are compressed easily in comparison to the solid. So they are the molecules of the liquid is far away from each other. So there are more intermolecular space are found. But gases, their molecules are so far to each other, so they compress easily and flow easily. So I would like to give some extra question on the basis of this topic. Suppose multiple CHOI choice questions. Okay. Okay, means correct, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Suppose in the examination, question first, write down substances that can flow from one place to another. Okay, so substances that can flow from one place to another is called, first of all, write down 4 options. Sometimes I will give you 2 options, 3 options, 4 options. So you will click only the correct answer only. Okay. First, solid. B, salute. C, fluidity. And fourth, D, you can write down in one. Suppose solid mass. Okay, so student, as you know, the substances that can flow from one place to another place, this may be solid, this may be liquid or gas, no solid, because their molecules are very compact to each other. So fluidity, the ability of the substances that flow from one place to the another place. So student, there is no more option. I am making, this is a first option, but if you have learned what is the fluidity, then you will click on the option C. So the correct answer will be fluidity. And what is fluids? Substances that can flow. Substances that can flow is called fluids. And ability to substances that flow easily is called fluidity. So gas and liquid are fluids. Okay, so I'll have to write down whole question and answer. Okay, now question number 2. Closely packed molecules are found in dash A, solid, B, liquid, C gas, D none of them. Student, as you know, arrangement of the molecules. Solid have very closely packed molecules are formed. So liquid, gas, and none of these are the wrong option. So correct answer will be solid. Solid. Okay, you can tick on the A. Okay, this is the based on the topic. These questions are based on topic. This is not given in your book. Okay. Now, suppose, student, I am going to rub this question. In question number 2, when I change the pattern, means LOOSE, loosely, loosely packed molecules are found in. What would be answer, will student? Loosely packed. So the answer will be gases. Okay, gases. In gases, loosely packed molecules are found. This is the question number 3. Write down, student. I am giving few seconds. Now I am going to give you some extra question on this chapter. Write down. Question number 4. In which process a liquid in process of changing a liquid, in which process, please wait, a liquid change into solid. So all of you name the process. A liquid change into solid on cooling. A by heating, B by cooling, C by evaporation, D by condensation. So student, in this types of question, when you learn what is the freezing, what is the evaporation, condensation, then you will able to click on the correct answer. When liquid change into the solid, you know, by cooling process, or when you keep the water inside the freeze, they will convert into the solid. This is also called freezing, or you can click on the cooling, COO, cooling process. Okay, so write down the answer, cooling process. Question 5. Fifth, when solid convert into liquid, is called liquid on heat called A, melting, B, when solid convert into liquid on heating is called melting, evaporation, C, condensation, and D, none of these. None of these, both words right. So what will be when solid convert into liquid on heating is called? No evaporation, no condensation, none of these, wrong option. So melting is the correct. When solid convert into liquid on heating, this is called melting. This is the concept based question, student. So I will give this types of question from your half yearly syllabus. Okay, you can write down. Now I am going to give the question number 6. Write down this first of all. Write down. So, student, this is the definition based question. Means what is the evaporation, condensation, freezing, melting. Okay. Now I am going to change the question number 5. when liquid convert into gas on heating is called. Now what? When liquid convert into gas on heating is called, student, evaporation. Because on heating liquid convert into the gas, means water vapor, or gas or water vapor, both. Okay, this is called evaporation. Okay, write down. But I am changing one word only. On heating liquid convert into the gas. When, okay, write down. Write down. Okay, student, I hope you are all written this. Now, when change the both, when gas convert into the liquid, when gas convert into the liquid on cooling, on COOLING, cooling is called, now your option change. This is called condensation. Condensation. So, student, in the MCQs type question, I have explained and give the question about the 4 definition about the, first of all, solid, liquid and gas. So all of you learn the difference between the solid, liquid, gas. Second, what is fluidity? FLUIDITY, fluidity. Third, the definition means changes state, change of state, change of states. Okay, like the, what is freezing? Okay, what is freezing? What is melting? What is freezing? What is melting? What is evaporation? And what is condensation? Okay, I am giving on all these types of the, all these based question on the solid, liquid, gas, fluidity, change of state means freezing, melting, evaporation and condensation. Okay, so you make some more question on the basis of these topics which are given on your whiteboard. Okay, student, I hope you are all revise this. Okay, and now I am going to give you today's homework. Write and learn. learn the difference between solid, liquid and gas. Okay. First, second, learn about freezing, melting, evaporation and condensation. You can write down the definition also. Learn about freezing, melting, evaporation and condensation. Okay, student? Write down. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. I am going to leave your class. Have a nice day. Thank you.